Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Do you need a UK phone number to open a Monzo account? I know that a lot of people are interested in opening Monzo accounts, but they're not sure if they can do it if they don't live in the UK. So, I wanted to take some time to clear up the confusion and give you the answer once and for all. The short answer, yes, you need a UK phone number to open a Monzo account. The long answer. Monzo is a UK-based bank, and as such, they are required to comply with UK regulations. One of these regulations is that all customers must provide proof of their identity and address. And one of the ways that Monzo verifies your identity is by asking you to provide a UK phone number. This is because a UK phone number is a reliable way to prove that you are who you say you are. It also allows Monzo to contact you if there are any issues with your account. So, if you're not living in the UK, you won't be able to open a Monzo account. However, there are a few other options for you. Alternatives to Monzo. If you're looking for a bank that is available to non-UK residents, here are a few options. Revolut. Revolut is a UK-based bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and travel insurance. Revolut is available to residents of over 35 countries, including the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. N26. N26 is a German-based bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and travel insurance. N26 is available to residents of over 26 countries, including the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Wise. Wise is a UK-based fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including international money transfers, currency exchange, and debit cards. Wise is available to residents of over 170 countries. Conclusion. If you're looking to open a Monzo account, you'll need to provide a UK phone number. However, there are other banking options available to non-UK residents. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Additional tips. If you're planning on traveling to the UK, you can open a Monzo account before you go. This will make it easier to manage your finances while you're away. You can use a virtual phone number service to get a UK phone number. This can be a good option if you don't want to get a physical SIM card. If you're not sure which bank is right for you, I recommend doing some research and comparing the features and fees of each bank. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And until next time, take care.